this older standard definition video footage from our archives has recently been remastered and upscaled. Take a look at this short clip and then head over to our streaming channel at www.historicalmachines.tv to check out the full thing.
As with many of the wood and wire aircraft from the period, few original examples of this type remain, despite the fact that almost 5,500 were produced from 1917. Agile and somewhat vicious like a real camel, the type was credited with almost 1,300 victories during World War I. Visitors to Classic Fighters 2001 were enthralled to see the classic showdown between the British Sopwith Camel and German Fokker DR-1 triplane. This year, the two old foes met once again and renewed their struggle for supremacy in the skies over Almaco. Finally, like a pair of aerial knights, knowing that neither can be beaten, the two aircraft make a pass in a two-ship salute to the crowd.
Join us on our full advert-free streaming service at historicalmachines.tv, where you'll find lots more great footage just like this, all for less than the cost of a cup of coffee per month.